Look at this figure. What is this? These are the bones of the pectoral girdle and the bones of the forelimb. Now, learning the names of the pectoral girdle and the forelimb is very important. Welcome to day 7 of 50 days NEET challenge. So, as you can see in this figure, clavicle is called as the collar bone and the triangular bone which is on the back side is called as scapula. These two bones join together here to form a cavity-like structure into which the ball-like structure of the humerus fits and it forms a ball and socket joint. And this cavity is called as glenoid cavity. Now, the humerus, which is this bone, it fits into this glenoid cavity. So, the first bone of the forelimb is called as humerus. Then we have radius and ulna, which is in the arm region. Okay, so radius is one bone and ulna is also one bone which is present in the forearm region. Okay, then we have 8 bones in our wrist which are called as carpals. Okay, so how many bones are there? 8 bones, and they are called as carpals. Where? Wrist. Then after that we have metacarpals, which we can also say as the palm bones. So there are 5 bones here which are called as metacarpals. And finally we have the fingers, right, which have 14 bones altogether. You can literally count them, right, and these are called as phalanges. So please remember, the bones of pectoral girdle are clavicle and scapula, and the bones of forelimb are humerus, radius, ulna, carpals, metacarpals and phalanges.